Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on one of its smart feature, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So we are not yet connected. We'll connect this one and see if it works with the popular applications such as built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube Music. Let's see if it works with this application. So if you have any questions regarding the demo for the Bluetooth music control of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth music control function of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Let's open the built-in music player here in our smartphone. We have at least 4 audio here. Then next, let's open the music control function. Okay, as you can see here, it already detected our audio or the title of the song. So we have here deeper meaning. We have a volume adjustment, as well as go forward and go backward, and play and pause. So let's try. Let's play. Let's adjust the volume here. Can we listen to the sound? Okay, it is using the speaker of our smartwatch. Next. Nice. Stop. Play. Go back. Okay, so it works. Go forward, go forward. Then let's adjust the volume. Yes, it works, as you can see here. Stop. Next. Play. Adjust the volume. Let's increase the volume here. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. So we have here the title. You can go forward or go backward, play and pause, and adjust the volume of the audio or the song. Okay, nice so far with our H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Hope it works with other applications also. Stop. Let's adjust the volume again to avoid any copyright issues. Let's have the Spotify app. Okay. Let's try this one, Blank Space by Taylor Swift. And as you can see here, we do have the title. Play. Okay, so it works here. Next. Next. Stop. Next song. APT. Stop. Next. Okay. I'm not going to adjust the volume anymore, as I want to avoid any copyright issues with YouTube and Spotify also. Okay, but so far as you can see here, it works. You can play and pause and go forward to the next song. Stop. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. Next, let's have the YouTube app. Guess we can increase the volume now. You can listen to the song. Let's adjust the volume here. Okay. Then let's play it here. Okay.
Except Europa. Attempt no landing there. Now, that was just
Next. Stop. Next. 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 Stop. Play. So we have an ad here.
What would happen if a star exploded near the Earth?
Stop. Play. go backward,
I am at a gold mine.
go forward, again go backward,
I am at a gold mine.
and as you can
a
see
couple
here,
hours
it
outside of Melbourne
works
because
with
of
our
1 kilometer
YouTube
underground, they're
application.
putting in
And we also have here the title of this the video. We have the volume adjustment, go forward and go backward, stop. Okay, so it works with our YouTube application. Very good so far. Okay, it works, everything works for our H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Okay, the volume is not that loud because it is using the speaker of our smartwatch. Okay, next, let's have the last one, the YouTube music. Okay, Hotel California, and as you can see here, the title changes. Next, pause, next song, go backward, go backward, go backward, pause, play, next. Okay, so it works with our YouTube music application. Very good so far to our H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. The Bluetooth music control function works with the following applications. No issues at all, except that the volume is not that loud as it is using the speaker of the smartwatch. But so far, if you are thinking whether it works with the H9 Pro Max, the Bluetooth music control function works. Okay, with H9 Pro Max. It works with built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube Music.